just make sure when you read the instructions, you make sure that you get main points in place. For example, in this particular thing, odd number followed by composite. So I'll say like this: odd followed by composite. Next, even followed by odd, even followed by odd, even followed by perfect square, even followed by perfect square. I'll write down this way: odd followed by prime odd, odd followed by prime odd, odd followed by even number, odd followed by even number. Done? And then I'll straight away go to the question. 14, 11. Look at the first two. 14, 11. What is 14, 11? Even. It should click you first. 14 is even, right? What is 11? Odd. What are you supposed to do? Second rule. They have to be added. 25. Now we have 25 and 9. What is 25 and 9? Odd followed by? Odd followed by? There's no perfect square. Odd followed by? Composite. Okay? What they are supposed to do? Multiplied. 225. Okay? But there's no odd followed by perfect squares. वो तो देखो instruction जो है वो हिसाब से चलना है. Okay? There is even followed by perfect square. There is no odd followed by perfect square. Are we clear? Yeah, come again. So 225. Now they're saying that if Q is the resultant of the first row, Q is the result of the first row. So 104, 225, and 11. Look at the first one. What is the first one? Even followed by perfect square. What do you do? Even numbers subtract from the perfect square. So what is the subtraction of 225 and 104? What do you get? 1 to 1. 1 to 1, 11. What is 1 to 1, 11? Odd followed by odd prime. Prime odd. Divided. 121 by 11? 11. That's the answer. 11. Now it should be this fast. So I'll explain this to you one more time. Yeah? Have a look. I'll explain this to you one more time. Get the rules down in this manner. Odd followed by composite, even followed by odd, even followed by perfect square. Don't forget your shortcuts, your short forms. PS is perfect square. Odd followed by prime odd, odd followed by even. Start. They say 14, 11. Now 14 is even, you just go to these two. This is what you're interested in. Followed by odd. What do you do in 14 followed by odd? Even followed by odd, added. 25. 25, 9. What is 25, 9? Odd followed by composite. They have to be multiplied. 25, 9 is 225. Now they are saying if Q is a resultant of the first row, so here 225, what are you supposed to do? So 104, 225 is even followed by a perfect square. Even followed by perfect square, then even number is to subtract it from the perfect square. 225 minus 104 is 121. And then you have 121 and 11, which is odd followed by prime odd. Odd followed by prime odd, the number is to be divided by the second. So first number divided by 11 is 11. Are we clear? Yes. Very simple. Let's dig in again. Next question. 3627. What is 3627? Even followed by odd. What is even odd? What do you do? What do you get? 63. 63, 7 is odd followed by prime odd? Divide. 9. 9, 15, 124. Odd, odd. Odd followed by composite. What are you supposed to do? Multiplied. So 135. These two are multiplied. All followed by composite. 9, 15 is odd followed by composite. Multiply. 135 and 124. What is 135 and 124? Odd followed by even. What is odd followed by even? Subtracted. What do you get the answer as? 11 again. And that's the answer. 11. Go ahead. There's no, you can say odd followed by composite as well. Composite odd bola. What is happening? Even followed by odd. What do you do even followed by odd? Add. What is the answer? 49. 49 and 7 is odd followed by prime odd. Divide. 7. 7, 9, 14. 7 and 9. What is 7 and 9? Odd followed by composite. Composite. Odd followed by composite. 63. Then 63 and 14. What is 63 and 14? Odd followed by even. What is supposed to do? Subtract. What is subtraction? 63 minus 14 is how much? 49. Now we have two numbers, 49 and 7. What they're asking is, what will be the answer if the resultant of second row is divided by the result of first row? The answer is, are we clear? How is this? Nice. You'll have 5 questions on this again, the same way.
After the last one, 49.
And 7.
Yeah, last.
The question says, what is the answer if the resultant of the second row is divided by the first row?
Yeah.
So 49 is supposed to be divided by 7. 7. How is this? Nice. You want to try the next two? I've got an idea what you're supposed to do?
Yes, we got it.
Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay. The next topic, please take it down.